Exercise 5. Mentally recording your process. Warm up. Study the tables shown and arrange the dots so that there are only 3 dots in each row and in each column wherever there is at least 1 dot, because some rows and columns will be empty. Hint: there are only 3 dots that need to be moved either horizontally or vertically to achieve this. Optimize your mind to work faster. You should be able to solve this puzzle in less than a minute. The warm-up answer? Here are the 3 dots that only need to be moved once. The final table looks like this. Only 3 dots are in each row and in each column. Now the real challenge. Now that you're warmed up, try it again with the table shown. This time you can horizontally or vertically move the dots as many times as you need to, as long as when you're finished there are only 3 dots per row and per column, with also no more than 3 dots diagonally. Think of it like solving a Rubik's Cube. Use the movie scene repetition technique to recreate the same experience that produced your success in solving the warm-up puzzle. Refresh yourself on the guidelines for this technique. You should be able to do this exercise quickly, increasing your speed every time. For example, in 5 minutes, then 3, then 1. Train yourself as much as you can so you can work faster each time. The challenge answer. So how do you work quickly on this table? First, move the dots up or down so that there are only 3 dots in each row horizontally. Then, count the dots diagonally and vertically. Finally, move any excess dots to the right and to the left so that you also have 3 dots aligned vertically and do not have more than 3 dots joined diagonally. The final table looks like this. There are many ways to align the dots in the correct pattern, but this method is the fastest.